Right, so I'm just going to demonstrate a parallel park exercise with this Land Rover. Looking at the size of that Land Rover, it's probably a little bit longer than this car, so I need to bear that in mind when I'm looking for my point of turn. So good look all around. Safe to move out and then stop. Moving out nice and slowly. Just going to put the handbrake on for a moment. There is a car coming up behind, so I'm going to get into reverse gear, get my white light on the back of the car. I'm just going to wait for a moment and see what this car coming up behind is going to do. Looks like they're pulling in, so not affecting them. So I'm just going to go back a little bit because at the moment the mirrors are level. I'm not getting just a little bit past their mirror because that car's longer than this one, which is there. That will be fine. At that point I'm going to do one steer to the left. Good look all around again. Turn around and look where I'm going. Reverse back nice and slowly using the clutch control. I want to get the car from an angle of about 45 degrees, or when that mirror is level with the back of that car, which is about there. Then I'm going to take my steering off, so the wheels are straight now. That means I come back in a straight line, but I want to reverse back a very short distance until that rear left wheel is about 1 metre from the curb, let's say there. Have a look into that blind spot mirror.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to do full lock steering to the right. The more steering I do, the quicker it will take effect. I want to get the car net, the angle of the car with the curb down to about 20 degrees now, which is about there. Now if I look in that mirror, it looks to me like I'm not going to finish close enough to the curb, so I'm going to straighten my steering again. I'm going to come back in a straight line until I'm almost touching the curb. So if you look into that blind spot mirror, you can see that the rear left wheel is almost touching the curb there. Now I'm going to steer full right lock again. The more steering I do, the quicker it will take effect, the less likely I am to hit the curb. Turn when I'm going. Just touching the brake very lightly because of the camber of the road. Just checking up and down the road. It looks like I'm parallel now, so I'm going to take my steering off so the wheels are straight. I'm going to secure the car with the handbrake. I'm going to take it out of gear. I'm just going to do a quick double check and then I'm going to tell the examiner I've finished. Okay?